What is up, you guys? It is good to see you back with another update, and I'm hype. I'm hype right now because I hit a big moment in my journey. But I'll tell you that in like 2, 3 minutes. First, we had to do a little catch up. And if you're new here, my name is Jake. I go by Jake Blockchain on all the social medias, and I decided to switch from working in the grocery industry, and I've been a filmmaker a little bit on the side, to becoming a computer programmer with a blockchain focus. So today is day 84. It's 10 days since my last update, and in the last 10 days, I covered a pretty big section of CodeCademy. They covered the grid system, which is a part of CSS that most of the web, it looks like, runs on, or a good chunk of it. And the basic idea is that most websites can be chunked into columns and rows. And when you have this grid system that typically might be a 12-piece grid or a 16-piece grid, you can put pieces into boxes. So the nav bar will be a top row, and then below that you'll have 2 rows long that has 3 columns wide. You can start to plug and play, and it makes your ability to style your site much more modular. So they become like Lego bricks, and you can just plug in different things and swap them out, or so I'm told. But now that that's over, I went through the grid system. I am now at the end of the HTML and CSS portion of CodeCademy Pro, and we're into JavaScript. Which is exciting. Because for those that don't know, JavaScript is the interactivity layer of a website. So HTML is the bone structure, CSS is the clothing, it's what they're styling it with, and JavaScript is the brains, all the things that can do math. You click things, it saves your data in the cloud, pulls some data down, styles it a certain way, and gives you back something unique every time, like a Facebook newsfeed. All some form of JavaScript or something else, some script layer. So this is where the juicy stuff comes in with being a front-end developer. It's going to get a lot harder from here on. There's going to be more algorithms, more computer science. My brain's going to be mashed potatoes really quickly. I'm a little scared, but I'm excited. This is the fun part. As I saw, I'll flash it back on this picture. My plan was to do 20% HTML, 80% CSS on this first section, and then once I get through those two, there's a ton of JavaScript, and I'm 20% into the CodeCademy Pro front-end engineer path. So the next 80 is going to be a bunch of JavaScript. Front-end, and I think some back-end, some server-side stuff. But yeah, so that's where it's at. I'm excited. Oh, almost forgot, another big update. Stacks, which is a blockchain that's bringing smart contracts to Bitcoin, is launching a university, in a sense. They're calling it Clarity University. And so they're going to be teaching people the ins and outs of writing in the smart contract language, which they call Clarity, for Stacks to bring applications to Bitcoin. That's ultimately where I'm probably going to go, and I signed up to be in their first cohort. We'll see if I get in. Yeah, excited about that too. So JavaScript, bang, 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 and Clarity University, bang, bang, maybe bang. But that's it, day 84. Wow, we're about to hit 3 months. It feels like I've been doing this for so long, and I feel like I just started because I feel dumb all the time. But yeah, I can open up a VS Code editor. I can get the basic HTML structure done. I can link my CSS sheet, and I can start chopping stuff up. Doesn't look great. Here's my last 3 projects. I'll just give you a little hint of it right here. My last project I did is right here. You can check it out. It's not fancy, but it's mine. And yeah, so that's it. Day 84. Just checking in. This is becoming a blockchain developer from zero. And yeah, if there's anything you want to talk about, talk to me about it. Comment below. I'm curious because most of this is early and I'm just talking to myself on the interwebs. That's it for now. I love y'all. See you next video. Peace.